Hi there, today I'm going to talk about habitat restoration and climate change. And I'm going to do this by introducing an example of tree translocation. Although people are generally confident about tree translocation because of many successful cases before, like for botanic gardens and urban landscaping. However, tree translocation are not always successful. We are using a case of maritime pines in Europe to see how critical maladaptation will affect translocation of trees. The tree species transported from Portugal to France. From this picture, we can see that average frost days in January in the target site and Portugal is the same. From the picture, we can tell that the mean temperature differences between the source site and the target site is around 3.5 degrees centigrade. People do this translocation because they want to compensate for climate change. However, the translocation still failed due to some unexpected maladaptations by climate variations in the target site. In target site, there are strong peaks of frost in every 10 or 20 years, so it's not expected during the trial field experiments. The strong peaks of frost caused extreme low temperatures in the target area, and the data shows that the species that's introduced to the target site has the highest frost-related mortality. What's more, there are time lags between early and late warnings about the maladaptation of the populations. So scientists can't see whether the introduced species is not adapted to the place or not, so they can't make the decisions in the right time. From this case, we can learn that unknown climate variation is one of the biggest barrier in translocation of trees. From this case, we can tell that the translocation of trees should be built upon tons of experiments and many knowledge of the climate variability and the mean climate differences between the source area and the target area. What's more, during the process of translocation of a species, we should always be able to identify some early alerts of critical maladaptations, and we should be able to stop the process at any time.